insulation's in. This is what it's going in front of. So I've got the rubber, I think it's 2mm rubber isolation barrier, and there. So it just went in then. It's going to continue around. See all the tags. Every beam has at least one. Some have two. The AV subwoofer coming out there. There's the AV there with its intrinsic barrier, which is the air, so it doesn't protects it. Rear speaker. This is power. It's going to come out across here, across the bed. And that's going to HDMI. That's going to go to the little projector there. This will get sheeted. Got to wait to do the plumbing soon. So I'll film that other wall when the plumbing's done. So it's going to get sheeted. So I just wanted to film what's behind. Okay, just in case I want to see you down the track. Oh, that's where that is. Oh, that's where that is. The as-built. Should really take that off, but that's what's getting sheeted. So that's all that's behind it. Alright, nothing else I think. These are the other wall, but I'll do that when I'm going to get sheeted. I'll put rubber behind all the holes outside, so it just gives a double protection layer. Something does push through it. This Sikaflex, they're the braces that we'll put behind the hot water system, which is mounted here, and that's the air conditioner. So that's braced with this, so that doesn't, the two brackets out there don't flap round. Both of them don't bounce up and down. They've got a little bit of back support from this double stud that I built here for the air conditioner frame. Very good. Right, very happy. So it should show that R rating. It was 2.5. It was 90mm thick. It was too thick, so I had to take it down because if you compress it, you lose your R rating. So it's got to be like that. So you can compress it a bit, but it can't be fully tight. No. Yes. There's a bit of air. Thank you.